Hi, coming to the question second. So here we are asked to create a common storage for three VMs and share a file between them. So for that purpose, I have created a VM1, VM2, VM3 as per the settings provided to us. And then in VM, this is my VM3 where you can see in other locations I have got this 2 GB folder created and I have this storage, this file present here. Similarly, in VM2 also, so this is my VM2. In VM2 also, in other locations, I have this 2 GB folder created, which I have mounted from VM1, and this is my shared file. Coming to the configuration part, so in V1 VMN1 I have created all the set, like all the commands, like I ran all the commands to mount the file to the shared folder. This I have done from VM1, and we can see the settings of all these machines. So here I have created a hard disk of 2 GB, and there I have a disk file, this VM1, which I have shared with other two VMs. These are my settings. Going to VM2, this is the same file, shared file, which I have using here, and I'm using the multi-writer sharing mode, and same setting I have used for VM3. So these are my three VMs, and we can see that all my files has been shared successfully in my VM3 and my VM2, which I have downloaded in VM1 and have shared from VM1 to VM2 and VM3. Thank you. So the part B is about maximum how many numbers of VMs can share the shared virtual storage. So for this, actually, there is no any limitation on this. Like any number of systems should be able to access the shared storage. It depends on, the configuration of the VMs. Like what are the limitations of the VMs, how much space and memory is allocated to the VM. So it all depends on that, and the limitation of our host system also. Practically, there is no limitation on the number of systems who can access the shared storage. And the third part is like, can we scale up down the shared virtual storage at runtime? If yes, please show, else why can't? So during runtime, if we do scaling the storage, it is not possible because many VMs are simultaneously accessing the shared storage. And if we do the scaling or some kind of resizing, this will lead to this will lead to some damage to the system, or the system will not function properly. So this is not possible. Thank you.